explore things. Many years ago, we talked about a brethren where when we go in a prison, we see him in a prison oval in a Spanish town, and the boy, the man, everybody they show me say, you see that brother there, the man there did in the police force illegally, you know. Him in the police force for 8 years, impersonate. And we spend 2 years in prison. I said, brethren, you said anytime you come out of prison, I really want to talk to you because that is one of the most unique things I ever hear. And the man tell me about the story in a thing. I'm a feel say something where I should share with Jamaican public. How vulnerable the police force is because I hear it's not him alone. They take a position there. We want to talk to the brethren. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mota.
How are you doing, man?
They are hiring us, sir.
You hiring?
Yes, sir.
All right. You know it's a long time I want to talk to you, though, don't it?
Yes, we know that, man.
And you know, so you go to prison already and you serve your time, so anything what you say now, them can't hold it against you again.
No, sir, I know that, man. La.
Yeah, law. All right, I'm glad you're going to know the law. All right.
Yeah.
Tell me exactly why is it that you do this thing? All right, before long, we want the people to know that this is the brethren who you hear we are ball for how much years now, if we say we want to talk to him, that he was in the police force for 8 years and he wasn't a police. Tell me how it go, brethren. Tell me why you choose for going to the police force.
All right, you know, Mota, I'm a little boy, you know. Never ability, I love the police work, love the police, and I go to one day and say, right, I go do the test. I went down to Mason on the year achieve and do the test on there. And I go down there, they ask me some questions and me. They do the test and I pass the test and whatever, but the interview part, never pass the interview, you see the interview. So the man says, try next 6 months time. So I said, 6 months time? That's too long, man. You know, 6 months time, I'm going to be a bigger, higher position more you. So, I go straight. I come talk now.
Wait, hold on there. You tell him, say, when him tell you 6 months, you say, by 6 months, you're supposed to be in a higher position than him.
Yes, man.
All right, go and talk.
So, you know, just go and make my ID. Make my ID now, I just go straight to French before Sada. I think on the post order come down to the police every Friday. So then come, we'll see the changes making at the post and what will get promotion whatsoever. So I go for that now. I say like because Spanish town copy. I sign the Spanish town copy. So me now tag on my Virgin Yard now, I edit and put my information in it. Send it off to the station. I'm turn up. So when I see super read the poster everything, most that there's a new sergeant transfer from Mason come to Spanish town. But I didn't come from the Spanish town. No Mason. But I just put it in the post order. But anything put in writing coming in the post order, it's going to be a fact because the police work have a post order. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to do the post order now. I started to the sergeant. So when I do there, I will walk on some police in idea. We walk on a Spanish town and walk on. So that, you know, say superintendent must read the post order. So I go stand turn up now. I see him say, where name? I say my name Mackenzie, sir. So his name Mackenzie at the time. Sergeant Mackenzie. So I say,
wait, how you mean your name Mackenzie at the time? Where the name?
Yeah, no, I use the name the Sergeant Mackenzie. My name is my real name.
Okay, all right, go on.
I create a profile myself.
Yeah.
So I go to someone and he said, right, you name Sergeant Miles, all right, come with me. And he said, right. And he show me, can I go to CID? And I say, right. This is Sergeant Myers. He's going to be working with you guys. So, we talk more. And then came me after we discuss about schedule and whatsoever. And at the time, he asked me about if me have no booklet to keep a firearm, stamp your booklet and something. I tell him no. And then look over them something this thing and all him with it.
And him give a firearm?
Yeah, man, I asked him to a firearm.
So wait, the police will carry and introduce you.
Yes.
Nobody never asks you no question. Just because the police they introduce you to them now, them just take you as because of him.
Yeah, I'm good. So when I go to CID, the person who's supposed to be the high rank there so is me, because in a CIB now, you're the person who in charge of CIB who's going to be the inspector in charge of CIB or me a sergeant. So I am a sub officer, so there's no way a constable or a corporal is going to question me.
Oh, because you're sergeant, because you're bigger than them.
Yes, no, so
Your rank's higher than them.
But the super do it. But the impression when I put towards him when I post her, now you have nothing to question because actually commissioner officer come from. Because the poster I done skills already, you know.
Yeah, man, I hear it.
Yeah, so I saw me get to do it, me get to do the part there. And then me got the woman say, right, Spanish Town, I got sanctioned for 2 years. I'm a Spanish Town, so more move from Spanish Town now. So I think about the transfer myself, got me a pen now.
You wait, hold on, you are transfer yourself?
Yes.
From Spanish Town to Maypen?
Yes.
Alright.
So I transfer with me to the transfer now, so I back in the post order again, take the post order for Spanish Town and say, me a pen now. I re-edit it, send information, night. But this time now I get promotion, I promote myself this time to inspector. Never inspector this time. They know some of the same man where interview me at the time. When me go go work, you know. I tell them, me see the man want shooting one. And me got me now. Me jam me see that crime safe because you know me been gone here because post that don't bring to everything. I'm about 6 months me there me didn't me pen. And me see I'm jam me see that crime safe want shooting in one. And me see the same man. They tell me say try again 6 months time. I see me come on and me crime scene. I'm say, big man, who are you? I don't know who right now about me say, who is you? He say, alright, his name is inspector. I'm say, big man, here. Me know I have a crime scene. Leave me crime scene. I'm part of my investigation panel. So leave me crime scene. But then I call on the crime scene. Then I investigate.
Hold on, serious. Hold on there. People, we're talking to a man who in February 24th, 2015, was sentenced in the Spanish Town Resident Magistrate Court by Resident Magistrate Simone Madix.
Yes.
2 years hard labor because of him impersonating police officer. Alright, say what you just say a while ago.
So me I say, when me transfer to Maypen, I said, my shooting in Guadong there. Which I was the SIO, that means Senior Investigating Officer. So when me see man come on the crime scene here, I said, man, who are you? Then the inspector came, I say, inspector who? Say, leave me crime scene, please. No matter if I'm crime scene. So
wait there, this is the same man, wait there. This is the same man will tell you, say, you must wait 6 months.
Yes.
I know you come tell him they must leave the crime area.
Yeah, I can leave my crime scene, man, come from the crime scene. So, you know, so the man right that motor, and said me, and disrespect him. And came go and pistol with the police of disciplinary action named Adal Room. Adal Room, 10 months to call him, court of inquiry, can I say, I'm losing the job, you know, because I disrespect him, you know. I want to go to the Adal Room now, and I said to me, say, why are you disrespecting the senior? I said, look here. He's not a senior for me. He must senior in service, not in rank. I'm not the same inspector. Four-way inspector. So he can't get in a lawful order. He was not part of my investigation panel team. And he had my crime scene, run off from my crime scene. That's all I did, you know. And that's what you're coming up from. He said, yes. He said, yeah, boss. So you may go. We deal with him. And then deal with him in there and he say, and best and walk quick and say, a little boy, I come and get promotion over him and what I watch him talk.
Alright, wait there, Brethren.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
How long after you're in the police force, them things happen?
Them things that happen?
Yeah, how long after?
As in what? What happened?
No, after you meet a man there on the crime scene, how long after? How much months?
And a month, about 4 years, man.
About 4 years. Tell me something. All of them time that you get paid?
No, I don't get paid from the government.
So you just in there and now get no pay?
Yeah, well, I enjoy a little benefit and I get, but I get the government pay.
So how you get money for do what you do? I mean, how you get money?
Mother, I say a policeman rich with Rich and I collect government money and can't do it no more. They are different method of way of doing things.
Oh, me not the police no rich. Me I say, oh, you did not get money.
Well, it works by doing some contract work. Then some police and I use the government fire. I go to security work and something there. And I even man where I then weed farm and something. I go read him so we can do yourself and then pay me. What's all the problem, man? Never out of money the police, man.
Yeah, all right. So continue the story now.
Yeah.
You got 4 years into the police force and this thing happen now. So let me ask you now. You move from Maypen and you go where? Which part you go?
Look, I live from Maypen and I go Mandeville now.
You end up at Mandeville?
I go Mandeville, you see? You see the same man who me talk about the interview there? Me go see my Mandeville. That's why I'm Mandeville now, in my 7th year, man. Me work as assistant superintendent of police.
Wait there, hold on there. You work at Mandeville as the assistant superintendent of police?
Yes.
You serious?
Yes, man. I'm saying, I see man, I'm tell you, say, when I carry disciplinary action room, I go see I lead my investigation, them there, I run an operational team. So, so in my inspector see me now, I'm an assistant superintendent, I go take over from him because him blow my rank. When you see me, I'm telling you, I've been taking over the investigation whatsoever. He say, nah, work. Just fair enough, no work. I said, man, I work motor. So, me write him up this time. So, I write him up, saying, go for suspension. And he let you work. He say, in like a police, he let you work. I want them here, so me say, find out, so I'm a real police, they want to kill me. He let you work.
You're serious?
Yes, man.
All right, so, oh, you reach a grand spin.
I moved that before you go there. Let me tell you something, you see. Your man is strongly believe in the party law of power, you see, and the 58 law. And one of my main sources of getting information, you see, when I last say, suppose a friend and work as a spy. I know about your restrict cost. You have to use spy to get a volume information to keep you a step ahead. So, my little boy, I go now, I don't want a station where I come from and I learn everything about police. There's nothing about police work and police, I'm telling you. Sometimes the police come to me and beg I write a statement for them. Me, I just see I write a statement for them. Because some police in the motor, they can't have a good statement, So, I learn all of that from a little boy come from the station. So, I should write to them, I should write to the police, youth service work on them something there.
All right.
So I'm equipped the most knowledge can take on the organization any way I can, any way I want to do it, I can do it. Because long as any system that make with a law, I make it one way, it can be broken into. But there's something if that system and it random changes, you can't take it to fraud, it's very easy. But if we force it one way, so everybody everybody say, only brave man will do that still, like myself.
All right, so let me ask you a question. You ever go on a shootout with some police head on a raid or something like that?
What is that time?
And you head the raid as a superintendent, you the head of the raid?
Yes, ma'am.
How much police you carry with you?
Huh?
How much police you carry with you upon the raid?
Never seen them. So, like how me man in charge of motor, I choose to walk by and see, so I say, I want the OSC man to come, the operation support team man to come, them will come. If I say, I want CRE man to come, them will come. If I say, I want PIU man to come, them will come. So I can call out who I want to call out, because I'm here to command on that part.
And that time, nobody don't know, say, you're not real police.
No, I don't know. Mother, you come to prison, what they can say. You see, man in the hotel, I'm missing them there. Man, I'm missing them in there.
I don't even show me, you know. It's another water. I show me say that man over there, so I him send them inside. So them not wait there. Them not beat you up in the bridge.
Huh?
Them not beat you up in there.
I always want to defend myself, you know. So man try to no move about me. Man has stabbed me in the still, but you know. Never let you. Me still live it.
Yeah. No, but me like when a man see you coming there now, and him realize that you make him come in there.
Well, I know, you know, so I'm going to go back from one you, me that watch your work, you know, police people, you know. When me charge one legal portion of fire, one, we have one spot check. And we stop a vehicle and go and police, no. Real police, no, legal firearm, you know. I'm a charge man to illegal firearm now. So I'm going to prison, I'm going to go back up on a prison there, you know. The man, the policeman who lock up there, why they say I idiot, that man are report them and they're impersonator.
That's sample, that's that. A whole right sample. All right. So the policeman, you know, when him see you in a prison, where him say to you?
No, he said to the warden, sir, the policeman will lock me up. I'm the warden say, he's not real police. I'm come up interested in police. He must have boys dead, man, the boys dead. And the boy them send me that prison, man. Never look at the legal thing and the boy them send me that prison. Think man a real police, no. And if you didn't go out there, they put the warden and tell me a real police, no.
No, yeah, man, I tell you, that's a sample. All right, so tell me how you reach a Grand Spain.
All right. Me in the Constant Spring. That, more than I tell you something with the era now. Jamaica have 5 era. The way the Babylon didn't set it, 5. Era 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. So era 5, I'll be that era. The Grand Spain, Spanish Town, Wallaba, St. Catherine and St. Thomas. So, a year 5 era that. So, me working more than a year 5. So, me left from Constant Spring now. Because me left Constant Spring, you know. At the time, me left Constant Spring. I was an inspector at the time, I'm there in Constant Spring at work. Even the same big man who flying squad at the time, I mean, me had a flying squad at work, you know.
Wait, that means you start with your khaki clothes?
Yeah, I'm the same uniform, man. Can I show you a picture of me from my page right there, I'm the uniform, man.
You know, easy.
The uniform, man.
So you don't say you're at Constant Spring?
I'm there at Constant Spring. That's why I know that I don't know where you come from, man.
So you used to watch me as the police?
No, I'm not. Most of your icon in a man, so if you look at you, I don't most of them tell you something. I'm not community police. But me tell you something, a police must be know in surround and know what around him. So me always want to know what around me, I want me to go see it. So me there Constant Spring to Grand Spain. And me give a shooting in a Boisley in a Grand Spain side on this one day. So me knock one boy one time, but the boy never did.
Well, so what you do? You charge him?
Me charge him a police shooting, man. I don't know where he is, he is an officer.
So a man never shoot after you yet?
What is that time, man?
Give me one at a time when some man shoot after you.
Man shoot after me. Yeah, me a pen. In a farm, man shoot after me in a book now. Man shoot after me a key night. Man shoot after me, man. Not man. I make it with me pen to man shoot after me, man.
Alright, so tell me how them find out now, say.
Alright.
You're no police.
One policeman in the whole about it. He come and meet him. He come assistant. And when he come, then he tell him I go speak to him man in charge. The super in charge. So they send him from my office door. When he come there now, and he say, what are you doing so? He said, I'm in charge. Man say, when you come really in charge? So I saw now, the tell him, look here, bring him on the next no place. So I'm going to charge this is me get to them. I say, get to come myself, you know. I'm going to move far and take come myself with the app, but the man now call on my third department motor. Motor?
May I hear you, man?
Yeah, man, man. So I couldn't see one day. So then get hold on for me, man. So I saw the man if I plan to come and then give me some liquor there, motor. I get a whole heap of liquor there. But Jamaica not build people and then kill people.
Who beat the other policeman them beat you?
Yeah, man, over police in plan where every system work. A big superintendent retire last year. I'm me some liquor nearly kill me there, man.
So you have to go to hospital?
No, me never hospital. We have some fracture and some internal bleeding and them way there.
And then now them lock you up?
Yeah, lock up and charge me.
And you spent 2 years in a prison?
Yes, man.
Boy, Bridget.
In a news motor, the people say, when you let him go, I best police that let him go. I best police not charging man. I best police going here. You know, people want to be on already.
Yeah, I see it, yeah.
People want black food and protest me, man. Okay?
Them black road for you?
Eh?
Tell them black road for you?
Yeah, this is the people in black road and say, best police and let me go, man.
Even though you're the police, you're the best police. No,
You're the best police.
No, that's really a sample. Wait there. When the people them block the road for you, right?
Yeah.
When the police them who are real police say to
But
them.
so myself back in the motor and say, oh, me know you but you're great. You want beat them, I don't want to beat you. You're great. I don't know how you do this. That's me, even the police come to me and say black and say, me say, you want to me now. My right to say them to me. I'm going to say to the police because some of them can't write a good thing. Some of them say them ask them my right.
Hold on. Them all you carry you go to jail. And police are come to you and ask you for write statement for them.
Yes.
No, Reggie. So, all right. You see the first one I was showing me you, where I say you was a police for 8 years. Another police that you lock up.
No, sir, water. I'm a police, no water.
Yeah. So who was the police were in there where you lock up, where make him in a prison up? Me really want him still in there?
No, man, that woman in 18 months and that woman.
Yeah, but me ask you, how much time a week you get beaten in there? Because all a man like you supposed to get enough licks. Because you already so much more than you going to prison.
You see, when you can't beat man at jail and motor, you can't beat man at prison, man. Water will kill you, man. You can't fight a prison, make water say you dead, man.
Okay.
I want a prison, man.
Yeah.
I'm a man of salvation, but no man a warrior.
Yeah. So you just go on normal in there because it looked like you was like a hero in the store.
Yeah,
when you say interview,
if you are prison, when you say me go to prison, they don't know what I'm doing because they say one of the greatest thinkers then come from prison. Because a prison and do more than think. Oh, me that prison, you know, they call me police at prison.
Them call you police?
Yes. So yeah,
them call you superintendent.
Eh?
Them call you superintendent.
Some call me super, some call me police.
All right, let me ask you a question. When you're in the police station, and you know say you're not police, you don't get nervous and afraid or nothing?
No, because I say I was grown in that station. I grew up in that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I grew up in that, man. So I never have any given time feel nervous whatsoever. One time I feel nervous, I want to say when they come to beat me, I'm going to say I'm dead now. Because when I see big man from a blind squad come, I say I'm dead now.
Yeah. Because 8 years you go like your police. So we don't know minister. Hold on. I look a beer, but you can't go this way. I thought they can't go inside a ball. Understand? So it's so key now. You know, when I was moving up on the road, man said, "Well, go on police." Even though I never got Spanish right now, man, I run up and say, "Oh, that's what new phone about." And I give me 10 CD, when I give me 10, I give me 20 CD because what? They know me a police in way. But we don't mess up there still. So you still at the police work, which part you there?
No, sir, I'm not on the police there, man.
What you told now? Them need a man like you, don't come up here, man.
Right, motor, I put me that. But I have a charge in a motor. I just do some police on a charge, you know.
Brethren, may I tell you, say, your story is a shot. May I tell you?
Yeah.
You call Brian run coming at Ratin. Brian look like what I want to do what you do. No, Brian look like what I want to live high rep about ton. No, so you tell the people them take you're the best police.
Let me give you a scenario, motor. One day, I watch your work. It's a motor.
Yeah.
And I see a ship dock. And I see my carnival Cumbridge Panama. I say, you know, I never come on a ship yet in my life. I come on a ship in a man.
Wait, hold on, Bridget. Hold on. Say what you just say again. Say what you just say a while ago.
Say, with that, what's serious? I work down there. I superintendent down there work. And I see ship dock. The ship named Carnival Cumbridge Panama. Big old cruise ship. I say, I never come on a ship yet. I say, I go on a ship. I see them, I go on a ship here. So then you have the police at the pier and some other people. They have a marine and they have a black from the side. And they have 3 magazines from walkie-talkie. And I walk to and policeman say, "No, you can't come over here." So you know, Mr. Beckham, I'm an assistant from the police. He said, "Where are you?" I said, "Oh, are you in charge?" And I know, Mr. Yes, man. He said, "Go on to super. Motor, come on. I said, Mr. Motor, I'm like in the motor and I said, man. But it's sad. Look at my tour wall ship until my hand blow. I'm Mr. Ishbago. Mr. Ishbago, Chilan, no Chilan, go back, no Falmouth. It's all right, I move on and say, all right, what is? I'm left from what Spanish go back.
So you go on the ship and end up down at Chilani?
That's Falmouth.
Down at Falmouth, yeah, Chilani?
Yeah.
As a squaddy?
Yes, man. I
because you say you want to go on that ship and you never go on that ship yet?
Yeah, because I'm not, Dala film to come back and watch it. Dala. So, I'm just, because I'm saying, I got Rodney Street on the station on Rodney Street, Falmouth.
Yeah.
I'm saying, who in charge here, so? Because I'm going to see words they use, and the words indicate what pattern of person you are. There are probably some key words in there for you to use them, you know. Like negative, positive, and conclusion, and you can't word the police use. So, I say, who in charge? I say, who you? I say, superintendent of police, I watch it. I say, oh, me hear about you from the race, me hear about you. Here what? I call on him to I would hear, sir, and I don't care about them to me. I say, me just sit down in the country and then just drive me camera and watch him feel comfortable.
Don't believe you me. Brethren, no, you're one of a million, brethren. Trust me. I mean, I tell the article will come out when them arrest, you know. Well, no. Brethren, I tell you the truth. So what you do now? Tell me what you do now. What kind of, what you do?
You don't know nothing about that.
You impersonate nobody now?
No, I'm not that, man.
But I mean,
me retire, man.
Okay, so you're not going to turn doctor?
Motor. No, sir.
You're not
going to turn doctor, no.
No, because you're going to be the best doctor. Give me a Anyway, Bridget, I tell you, give thanks to tell your story that way there. You hear, sir?
Alright.
Yeah, I tell you, say, trust me, you have a story there. You could have write a book about it, man. Or a movie you could have make out of your life.
But publishing company, publishing, man.
Somebody will listen to you as well now where it could have clicked in at them heads. May I keep your number and your name? You hear, Bridget?
Yeah, more than one big up to somebody, you know.
Yeah, man, what you mean, man?
Yeah, man.
You know, because the policeman where you make out of prison.
Eh? Man, sorry, man.
Alright. You better don't go foreign.
But I'm look at the never go see political asylum done. Political asylum. But I say, I'm big up the best urban doctor all over King Isis, you know? That's my cousin that you know. You know what I want the eyes, Amuta?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. And also, I'm big up Cabra, Pandetro, Panishton prison.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, right. So, and the whole of Jamaica, pick up on yourself.
Give thanks, Bridget, yeah?
Alright, Muta.
Yeah, man. The Bridget there, believe you me. Eh? No, man, the man with Rasta. Hear the story now. A man who pleaded guilty to the impersonating a police officer on February 24, 2015 was sentenced on Monday in the Spanish Town Resident Magistrate Court by Resident Magistrate Simone Maddox to 2 years at hard labor. The accused Shane Myers had 5 other previous convictions of 1 count of simple larceny and 4 counts of gun charges. I was so true about the gun them now. They say this fact did not find grace with R.M. Maddox, who while reading the police record of the accused remarked, quote, "This is more than being a good help. You gave information to deceive the complainant as to your identity and even went as far as to give your registration number." So when they hold him now, he started to say, if it's this, that, and the registration number. As she spoke, more dark clouds gathered over the future of the accused. Quote, "You even demoted yourself." You even demoted yourself from sergeant to constable. And it is with this in mind that I believe you might not be a threat to yourself, but you're a danger to the society. And it's my job to protect the society from people like you, R.M. Maddox said. Allegations were that on January 30th, 2015, about 9:30 a.m., Myers met the complainant, whose motor car had been stolen, and identified himself as Sergeant Myers, and that he could assist in the return of her car. It was further shown that Myers kept in contact with the complainant and even met her at the training school in Twickenham Park, where he told her he was an officer from 2002 However, the complainant became suspicious when their conversations, which were done on WhatsApp, turned up irregularities on the messaging services. Myers gave her his registration number 13327 and said he was a constable. Following this, a report was made. When he was arrested, Myers reportedly told the officer, "Officer, may I beg you a chance, cause me no want to go back before the judge, cause me just a come from jail. You will have 2 years to behave yourself, and if you do so, you might come out before 2 years." R.M. Maddox concluding. Yes, that is a story of stories, man. You know, you can't beat that story there at all, brethren. Yeah? You can't beat that story there.